In this video, I'll be showing you how to make YouTube apps smaller on your Android phone. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, the best way to make the YouTube app smaller is to use the picture-in-picture mode or split screen view. This allows you to continue watching tech or gaming tutorials while managing your other business tasks. So what you want to do is firstly, go ahead and open up your settings application and go over and scroll down until I find apps. Once you're on apps, go ahead and scroll down all the way to the bottom and then find YouTube and go ahead and click on it. Now, once you're here, you're going to see a lot of different options, but scroll down and you're going to see picture in picture as one of the options. Go ahead and click on that, and allow permission should be on for picture in picture. Now, if I go over to my YouTube application and I go ahead and open it up, let's say I open this video right here. Now, if I press my home button, or I have to make sure it's playing, so I'm just going to play it. If I press my home button now it's literally just in the background on the bottom right of my screen, and it's just going to keep playing. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.